Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. As always, really appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, help support the channel. And with all that being said, we're taking a quick look at Polygon or Matic here, as you can see. Looking like it's been absolutely smashed down recently. Losing tons of support and just rolling to the downside in a big way, like quite a lot of altcoins did recently. There was a huge capitulation, and I'm still not quite sure why this happened. Bitcoin was just retracing in a fairly solid manner. A quick look at the Bitcoin chart will show you this. Let me have a quick let me just get rid of all this stuff as well. This is just some recent little idea that I did have for the price action, which played out pretty much perfectly. You can see here Bitcoin really higher highs and higher lows. Quite a decent little bit of consolidation and retracement in this area. We come down and pretty much tap perfectly into that previous level and get that big nice move to the upside, consolidating right now at resistance. But really, as you can see here, nothing really to be too concerned about in the markets. And then Polygon and a few other big cryptos, for example VeChain, some of those larger altcoin market caps, etc., just got absolutely capitulated and fell to the downside. You can see obviously the breakdown back test of the 050 come back inside that range that we were in for God knows how long here, and you can see here just rolled, completely bypassed the 038, which was a strong level of support before, capitulate all the way down past the 023, all the way down to around 51 cents, which is crazy. Got the bounce to the upside, little bit of a consolidation, and right now we're just kind of inching to the upside for Polygon. But pretty clear that we've been smashed down in a big way here, back testing some previous levels back here that you've seen a long time ago. And really, you know, all that kind of bullish market structure and that good decent momentum for Polygon here has been kind of erased. Currently sitting at around 66 cents right now for Polygon, and pretty much we're just wondering where this is going to go next. It's a bit of an interesting one, isn't it? Because you're not actually sure. I'm not sure where this is going to go next, if I'm being completely honest. These Fibonacci levels are being respected somewhat here, so I'd expect us to come back up and retest that 75 cent 038 Fibonacci. But really, considering how much structure there is in this area, unless we see a huge pump up for Bitcoin, this could be a fairly decent bit of resistance for Polygon. And if that's the case, could be a bounce up and then a rollover like this. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But overall, right now things not looking that good for Polygon, and in essence we're probably looking at a little bit of a you know, breakdown, back test, rollover, and retest the lows that have just been made recently at the 023 Fibonacci. Down towards that 50 cent level is probably fairly likely. Like I said, unless we just see Bitcoin absolutely shred to the upside, in which case we could easily deviate back inside this area here. But quite a lot of cryptos recently, as I said, they've been in a bit of a descending wedge like this, and they've just completely fell out at the bottom of what's been going on. Let me drag these out and save them in. As you can see, descending wedge, like a lot of altcoins have been doing, and absolutely fell out the bottom, capitulated, retested, and now looking like we're coming back up to retest that area. So we'll wait and see what happens next. But that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.